Here you have taken a very nice picture of your party and you want to make them into a video, still pictures into video. Now I'm going to show you how to use Filmora X to turn your pictures into a video. Let's begin. Now I'll just come here to Filmora X. I'll just come on the opening window as you can see it here. I'll come here and choose this one here. Remember, you're going to put your pictures in TikTok or YouTube Shorts or even Instagram Reels. So what you'll just come here and choose portrait. That is 9:16. Then I just come to new project. Then it will bring me to this platform. The next thing you're going to do, you're just going to come here and drop and look for your pictures so that you're able to get them. Now just come here and I'll choose these ones here. These still pictures here. Then I just open them. I'll just insert them in the import here. Then they are still selected. I can decide now maybe to put them one by one, but I don't want to do that. Let me just wrap them like that. I'll just just select all of them by pressing Ctrl A. Then I'll just put them here on my timeline like that. Now that's very simple. The next thing you're going to do, you realize now the picture are just still pictures, but I want to make them moving as if they have life. So what am I going to do? It's very simple. I'm just going to do this. I'm going to come here, click on one of the pictures here, then just click one of the pictures here. Then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click this thing called keyframing. After clicking keyframing, it will bring me to this dialog box, and you realize it has just put some dot on my on this picture here. The next thing I'm going to do, I want the pictures to expand as the video goes on. So I'll come here, put maybe one, put my cursor here. Then I'll just do this scale like that. Now if I play the picture, this is what will happen. You see the picture is coming closer as if it is having life. I'll do the same for the rest of the pictures, just like that. Click here, add, then scroll here. Then you can either add like that and then just press this one and it will scale like that. I'll come again here, click here, add a dot, then come again here, put some here. You don't have to add a dot, you just come here and scale like that. Now if I play all these three pictures, this is how it will be. Then you see also this one here is coming like that. So I'll do this one for all the pictures. I just come here, add, then come here again, just scale like that. I'll just go like that. Let me just do it faster so that I forward it. I just come here like that. Now I've done that. Now if I play this is how it will be. This is how it will be. But but you realize these pictures have something dark here. It doesn't look so professional. So what am I going to do? I'll come under effects, then I'll look for something like this. I'll come to favorites here. It's called basic blur. You can just come here under effects and type basic blur. Basic blur. Then it will bring you this. You can favorite it, then you just come and put it on top here. You realize this thing, at least it has gone. If I play it a little bit, now what you do is you put it until the end here so that all the pictures are captured like that. But I want my pictures also to be dramatic. Now I'll use something called, I'll go to transitions here, then I'll look for something, I'll go to favorites here, something called warp zoom. So I just come here and look for warp zoom. I favorite it, I've been using it, that's why it is my favorite. So you just come and type here warp zoom. So I'll just come and put that warp zoom here at the beginning. I'll also come here, put it at the beginning, but adjust a little bit. I'll put another one here, just like that. Now if I play like this is how it will be. The picture is coming dramatically. Then again like that, you see. So I'll just put this one to all the intersections of the picture to the end. So this is what I'll do. Let me just fast forward it. Then just like that, we have our pictures into life. The picture is to motion. Know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to export it. I just come to exports here. I'll go to settings, choose the best quality. Then I say okay. Then I'm going to choose the destination. Let it go to somewhere, maybe music. Under music, then I'll just select folder. Then I'll just export. Then here I'll just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes for it to export so that you see our video. Now after a few minutes, it has just completed. I'll just go to open folder here. Then it will take me where my video is. Then I'll just double click it here so that you see how it looks. So you see our video is vertical. It's playing just like that. Now remember, you're going to use it as YouTube Shorts, Reels, or even Instagram Reels. So you'll just add audio. That's why I have not added any audio. You'll use the audio that is used in these social media platforms. Guys, see you in the next video. I hope that one will help you to create awesome pictures into videos.